Hello, friends and viewers. A very warm welcome from 21 Media Services and Hangover 69. We would like to invite you and welcome you to our unique show, Adda at Hangover. এখানে আমরা গল্প এবং আলোচনার সূত্রে কিছু প্রমিনেন্ট সেলিব্রিটিজদের লাইফ স্টোরি আপনাদের সামনে তুলে ধরব, এমনকি জানবো তাদের সাকসেস স্টোরির পেছনে স্ট্রাগল এবং দ্য জার্নি আপ দ্য ল্যাডার। সো লেটস গেট গোয়িং, লেটস গো এন্ড মিট our guest for tonight. Well, today we are at the Burnt Garlic restaurant at the Priya Cinema Hall premises in South Kolkata. And today we have with us a media stalwart, a marvelous actor, a self-made businessman, and of course, ekta darun manush, ekta darun human being. We have with us none other than Mr. Arijit Dotto. Thank you, sir. Thank you. আমরা আজকে যেটার জন্য এখানে গ্যাদার করেছি, ইটস মোর অফ লাইক আ ইনফর্মাল আড্ডা। আমরা অ্যাকচুয়ালি আপনার লাইফের ব্যাপারে কিছু জিনিসপত্র জানতে চাইবো, অ্যাবাউট ইয়োর চাইল্ডহুড, সাম স্মল মেমোরিজ দ্যাট ইউ রিমেম্বার, অ্যান্ড অফকোর্স সিন্স ইউ আর অ্যান আইকন ফর বেঙ্গল within the sectors of large scale business, small scale business, medium scale businesses which are coming up in today's world, and we would like to draw some inspiration for economics, for finance, for people who want to actually be the next entrepreneurs. We would like to hear a couple of, lovely words and very valuable words from sir about it. So প্রথম প্রশ্নটা আমি আপনাকে জিজ্ঞেস করতে চাই, সেটা হলো আপনার চাইল্ডহুডের ব্যাপারে কিছু মেমোরিজের ব্যাপারে যেগুলো আপনার মনে আছে and which you would like to share with all of our audience.
Okay, born and brought up in Kolkata, and initial couple of years was in St. Xavier's School, Kolkata. Then I went off to St. Paul's, Darjeeling, where I think my attitude, being a boarding school product, your outlook towards life changes. The way you look at life changes. It gives you a broader horizon. It gives you a lot of self-confidence. Because remember, in our days, আজকালকার দিনে হয়তো you don't get hit, a student can't get hit, but in those days we had to fight for our positions. There were lots of fights in school, and when we were naughty we used to get literally whacked by hockey sticks যে আমরা 3 দিন বসতে পারতাম না দার্জিলিংয়ে ওই ঠান্ডার মধ্যে। So we have not been spoiled. আজকালকার দিনে students, you're not allowed to fire them, you're not allowed to give them a rap also, বাট আমরা কিন্তু বেদম পেটানি খেয়েছি, প্লাস আমরা ওইটা পানিশমেন্ট ড্রিল যেটা বলতো, পানিশমেন্ট ড্রিলও আমরা খেয়েছি। সো উই ওয়ার ব্রট আপ ভেরি স্ট্রং। তারপরে অফকোর্স আই কেম টু কলকাতা অ্যান্ড ওয়েন্ট টু যাদবপুর ইউনিভার্সিটি, অ্যান্ড স্পোর্টস স্টার্টেড ফ্রম স্কুল ইটসেলফ। বিং ইন আ বোর্ডিং স্কুল, আমাদের স্পোর্টস ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট। সো প্লেড cricket in school. We played all sports in school, of course, but school I played cricket a little more seriously. Kolkata ashar pore Jadavpur University hockey team ছিলাম, so university blue in hockey. Plus I started rowing because lake club ta kachakachi chilo. Surprising that I didn't take up cricket, it just happened. But then I became an international winner in all events where rowing is concerned. তারপরে যখন কাজে আসার টাইম হয়ে গেল, তখন mom told me that না, প্রথমে you must do a job. So you must understand what an employee feels, what an employee needs, and what the employee thinks. It's only after that you can do administration. So I joined 4 years in GEC Genelec, where I was posted to Patna. Then মাঝখানে দামনজলি, তখন ন্যালকো প্রজেক্টটা হচ্ছিল, জাস্ট স্টার্টিং। সো তখন ওইখানে গিয়ে 2 মাস না 3 মাস থেকেছিলাম, যেখানে ব্রেকফাস্টও ছিল ডাল ভাত, লাঞ্চও দিল ডাল ভাত, রাত্রিরেও ছিল ডাল ভাত, একটা এক্সট্রা পেঁয়াজ আর লঙ্কাও পাওয়া যেত। দ্যাটস হাউ উই লিভড ফর 3 মান্থস। তারপর অফকোর্স কলকাতা এসে আই জয়েন বিজনেস। আই স্টার্টেড লাইকিং ইট, এনজয়েড ইট, অ্যান্ড দেন আজকে আস্তে 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 প্রিয়া ইমপ্রুভড, পিপল রিপোজিশনড প্রিয়া, just not as a cinema house. I realized একটু রিপোজিশনিং করতে হবে, and তেমন করে আস্তে আস্তে কডল করতে করতে প্রিয়া came to a certain level. Then people started noticing, then Globe Cinema came in, তারপর a lot of other theatres came in, some multiplexes came in, said please run. So এখন what you see, that is what it is. মাঝখানে last 4-5 বছর ধরে I've been wanting to do something other than cinema, So I started this Eco Adventure Resorts. একটা যেটা পুরুলিয়াতে হয়েছে, that's the second one, which is the tented resort, which is recognized by the government of India under Incredible India, and the next one যেটা টেমিটিতে সিকিমে করা হলো, সাউথ সিকিম, was the first resort of its kind, where আমরা কনভার্ট করলাম একটা 150-year-old pastors বাংলোকে কনভার্ট করে প্লাস অ্যাডিশনাল কিছু ইনফ্রাস্ট্রাকচার করে Eco Adventure Resorts, the Temi Bungalow হলো. That's the career line as of now.
Jodi, if we talk about business, actually business in Bengal and business which is booming right now, jeta bola hocche that Bengal is becoming a hub of business, which earlier was, and Bengal was always related to culture. As we all know, it was related, it has a very deep heritage of cultural activities. A lot of, artistic stalwarts have come up from Bengal. So মানে এখন current situation এ দাঁড়িয়ে বেঙ্গলে what do you think is the business scenario? মানে এখানে যদি আজকে say for example স্যার আমি আজকে একটা বিজনেস যদি শুরু করতে চাই, তো সেই জায়গায় দাঁড়িয়ে what do you think is the prospects and how do you think an entrepreneur should think?
See, to start business, number one, everyone is not for business. Let's be very clear on that, because I've got a lot of friends who've got some, let's say they come from the landed gentry, they've tried business, but you must have a business mind. Number two, current scenario. Current scenario difficult. যতই আমরা উচ্ছ্বাসিত sentences শুনি চারিপাশে, but it is very difficult, and for someone to start a business, he requires a lot of administrative support, and it needs peace of mind to start off the business and to grow the business. The number is, where someone who wants to start a business, I would say try and do the line of work which you like, because if you don't like it, you will not be able to fine tune it. You will not be able to reposition it whenever you want. You will not be able to grow it. It's going to be flat. So that doesn't continue for too long. But most important, I would say, that's the way I have done it. Your life is one. First, live that. First, live that. Don't bother about anything. Work will follow. You stay happy in mind, your work will also do well. You only do work. একটা যেটা কথা আছে, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Don't make it come to that. If you make it come to that, then that business is not going to grow too much in the long run, and nor will you be able to spot the possible offshoots from that business. So you have to be happy in mind, happy in heart, then you'll be able to do that well. For that, you have to give yourself quality time, me time jeta bole. If you don't have quality time for yourself, you will not have a clear, flexible and clear mind to do what is next.
Coming to talk about business, আমরা শুনলাম regarding your advice towards entrepreneurs and people who want to start off business, and of course everybody is not made for business as you mean to say, like সবার জন্য businessটা is not a cup of tea, right? তো আমরা যেটা দেখেছি is like you have been associated with various domains of business, like you have been on screen, like apart, like I'm not just talking about business but also like multiple domains of profession, and আমরা যেটা দেখেছি আপনাকে বিভিন্ন টাইপের প্রফেশনের সাথে জড়িত। একটা টাইমে আপনি বললেন আপনি চাকরি করেছেন, সেখান থেকে আপনি বিজনেস করার প্ল্যানিং এলেন, and then you started off working with Priya Entertainment Enterprises, and from there we see a legacy happening, and apart from that you are getting into tourism and hospitality as a business. So which business I would say demands most of your time, or rather আপনি যেটার পেছনে টাইম বেশি দিতে পছন্দ করেন? It works both ways. So I mean, which is that business that takes up most of your time and you involve your time into?
See, where entertainment is concerned, a full infrastructure is already in place. আর যদি একটা হল খুলতে হয়, it takes me half an hour, 40 minutes to sit with my team to know, for them to know and for us to discuss exactly কি করতে হবে. We'll open a cinema in less than a month. Hospitality or resorts is something আমরা এখন শিখছি. Like Purulia, there was a lot of mistakes we did. কোনটা আগে করা উচিত, কোনটা পরে করা উচিত, কোনটা এখন করাই উচিত হয়নি, which something which should have been bought 5 months later হতো 5 মাস আগে কেনা হয়েছে. A lot of mistakes were done. Similarly, যখন করা হলো, lot of mistakes we rectified, but still a few mistakes were done. So I'm enjoying that because hospitality আর যেটা ইকো অ্যাডভেঞ্চার রিসর্টস যেটা আমি স্টার্ট করেছি, এটাতে a lot of tweaks, new changes in the system, doing something differently is possible because it's not a hotel. I've not opened a hotel. It's very different. It's out in the wild. Karo charipashe kono human ye nei, large areas, less inventory, that is rooms. So people have lots of space for themselves. So space and the wild is the luxury. So এখনো, where I'm concerned, এখনো I'm giving a little more attention to hospitality because I'm learning. And সিনেমাতে এখন being a very corporate situation যেটা হয়ে গেছে, there's not much places for tweaks. আগেকার দিনে কিন্তু there was places for tweaks. We did a lot of tweaks where Priya is concerned. সেখান থেকেই where Priya was positioned differently and everything, and right nationally Priya got known because new things to be done, new approach to certain things. Like even let's say এখনো আমি যদি আমার বায়োস্কোপ মাল্টিপ্লেক্স চেনটা যদি কথা বলি, one screen is dedicated for performing arts. I think no national chain has also thought of that, right? So these are small things which we implemented there. Priyate, that's why stage-টা বড় করা হয়েছে, where you can have individual performances there, whether it is song and dance, whether it's a fashion show, whether it's a play, everything can be done. In the multiplexes in Priyate, of course, green room possible ছিল না, কারণ আর গ্রিন রুম বানাবার জায়গা নেই, কিন্তু মাল্টিপ্লেক্সগুলোতে কিন্তু সব গ্রিন রুমও করা আছে, where actually from the sides people can come in, all the rights, sound equipment for theatre or song and dance or even classical music to that matter. And we have had programs like this, কারণ আমি অলওয়েজ বিলিভ করি দিস উইল বি একটা, যখন একটা পার্সোনালাইজড পারফরমেন্সেস হয়, a very different footfall comes in. ওই ফুটফলটা 2-3 বার কিন্তু যদি হলে আসে, নেক্সট টাইম সিনেমা দেখতে আসবে। সো ইট ইনক্রিজেস অ্যান ইনক্রিমেন্টাল ফুটফল। সো এই কয়েকটা এক্সপেরিমেন্ট উই হ্যাভ ডান ফর আ লং টাইম, এখন পর্যন্ত কাজ করছে।
টকিং অ্যাবাউট সিনেমা অ্যান্ড কনজিউমার বিহেভিয়ার, মানে যেই জন্যই অ্যাকচুয়ালি বিজনেস মডেলস পাল্টায়, যেই জন্যই মানে বিজনেসেস দে রিথিঙ্ক ওভার their own businesses trying to make modifications. If you look at the trend right now, and mostly because of this scare of coronavirus, halls were shut down, to be very honest. Amra jeta first to shut, last to open, of course. And jeta amra dekhte pacchi je mane gulabo sitabor shomoy jeta holo, ora digital release korte baddho holo. তো এই যে কনজিউমারদের যে বিহেভিয়ার, বিকজ অফ ভিজিটিং প্লেসেস অ্যান্ড পাবলিক প্লেসেসে যাব না, বা আজকে করোনা থাকুক কি না থাকুক, মানে এই যে একটা যে মানে স্টপেজ এসে গেল হল যাওয়ার মানে বিহেভিয়ারের প্রতি, সেটা মানে কি মানে ইজ ইট গোইং টু লাস্ট অর উইল দ্য ট্রেন্ড চেঞ্জ অর হোয়াট ইজ?
যখন VHS ক্যাসেট এলো সবাই কি বললো? সিনেমা হল বন্ধ হয়ে যাবে। সিডি এলো, সবাই বললো সিনেমা হল বন্ধ হয়ে যাবে। তারপর কেবল টিভি যখন এলো, এভরি স্যাটারডে পাইরেটের ছবি দেখাচ্ছিল, যেটা ফ্রাইডেতে রিলিজ হয়েছে স্যাটারডে দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছে, সবাই বলে এবার তো সিনেমা বন্ধ হয়ে যাবে। তারপর এখন স্যাটেলাইট এলো, বললো নতুন ছবিতে 3 মাস পরেই স্যাটেলাইটে পাওয়া যাচ্ছে, এবার তো আর সিনেমা চলবে না। সেকেন্ডলি এখন এলো OTT। নাও I don't think OTT is a problem at all. কারণ whether it's Rock Hudson, whether it's Sean Connery, whether it is Amitabh Bachchan or Shah Rukh Khan or Amir Khan, যদি ওদের সিনেমাটা, অরিজিনাল সিনেমাটা, if you were watching on a mobile or you're watching it on television, would they be stars? There is no alternative to big screen. So water will find its own level. এখন there's a little bit of a problem in Enichi, but water will find its own level eventually. It always did. Survival for the fittest topic, the people who have maintained themselves, people who have put in the latest technology, people who gives the right comfort, and of course the software is very important. That is the picture. Like for example what you said, Gulabo Sitabo and a lot of others, Dil Bechara, etc., যেগুলো রিলিজ করলো, see none of them came out with a good report from the viewers. Why? Because big screen films do not feel nice on small screen.
The technology definitely matters.
That grandeur is not there. Like I'll give you one example. The first time I saw Maine Pyar Kiya, I said, "Emo to badi chhe लगता है." Then I saw it on big screen and my entire view changed. You try and see Ben-Hur, you try and see Where Eagles Dare, you try and see Sound of Music on your mobile and see if you like the film or not. You not like it. So there is no alternative for big screen. OTT is there. এখন একটু ওটিটি মুরগা পার্টি হচ্ছে ফ্র্যাঙ্কলি স্পিকিং, যা রেটে ছবি, জাস্ট সো দ্যাট দে গেট নিউ পিকচার্স, যা রেট দিচ্ছে দ্যাট ভিউয়ার্স ওদের হচ্ছে না। সো we are very happy our producers are getting more money than what they should have got for the film, so the next picture they'll make better. We are very happy. OTTs, we are not bothered about OTT in the long run. It's just a question of discussion, OTT hole ki hobe. But oi, mobile till today I don't even keep my email in my mobile. So question is, I have not seen a single web series or anything in my mobile. Web series ta tao dekhte hole I go to a large TV screen. So otherwise এটাতে ঠিক দেখা যায় না. You can't understand it. It's too many minute things required to be noticed on the frame, which you cannot do if you're seeing it on mobile. On television, or largest television, you can still see it. So there's no alternative to big screen for a chance.
So jeta, as we heard from him, like OTT is going to be in its own position. Big screen is going to be big screen, silver screen is going to be silver screen, and that's where stars are born. Yeah, true. Okay, coming to the point where we have seen you on silver screen, and talking about the days of Madras Cafe, we've seen you in a very stylish attire, in a very, very, what to say, a very crucial and a vital role in the film. So what do you get your inspiration or your style statement from, or where do you see yourself coming from regarding the personality that you carry?
সবচেয়ে দুঃখের কথা বলবো, তার আগে কিন্তু অ্যাটলিস্ট 30-35টা বাংলা ছবি হয়ে গেছে। নো ওয়ান রিমেম্বার অর নোটিস দোজ। ওয়ান ইজ গৌতম ঘোষ, বুদ্ধদেব দাশগুপ্তা, সবাই এতগুলো বাংলা ছবি হয়েছে, নো ওয়ান নোটিস দ্যাট। অনলি নোটিসড হলো মাদ্রাস ক্যাফে। So just imagine us in Bengal. First importance is just like Satyajit Ray, যতক্ষণ না বিদেশ থেকে অ্যাওয়ার্ড পেলেন আমরা এখানে রেকগনাইজ করলাম। Same situation here. Nobody noticed it that much when it was in, I told you, 30-35 বাংলা ছবি হয়েছে। তার মধ্যে গৌতম ঘোষও ছিল, বুদ্ধদেব দাশগুপ্তও ছিল, but not noticed. Madras Cafe হলো noticed. Bollywood, but yes, I enjoyed it, and যেটা কথা হচ্ছে, and Madras Cafe was just by luck. Means we were having dinner together, a party of sorts. So হঠাৎ সুজিত tapped me on the back and said, হ্যাঁ বলো সুজিত, তুমি আমার জন্য একটা ছোট্ট রোল করে দেবে? I mean, of course, কারণ he had just done Vicky Doll. So I said, of course. তারপর of course হলো, কিন্তু a very large portion of the picture was censored by the censor board, কারণ অনেকখানি সত্যি ছিল ওর মধ্যে, where the discussions were actual, যে weapons গুলো actually কোথা থেকে কে নিয়ে গিয়ে কোথায় দিয়েছে, এটা ওটা, where we were involved. So those dialogues গুলো censor board কেটে দিয়েছিল, otherwise it was a little more than what I was actually there eventually. But I enjoyed it. Good fun.
So yeah, talking about the style statement, একটা অ্যাভাটারে আমরা আপনাকে দেখেছিলাম একটা গান্ধী গ্লাসেস, where you had shot the photograph and you had sent it back, as far as I read in reports. So I mean, talking about that look of yours and the style statement that you still carry right now as well, so where do you get this inspiration from?
See, I told you. See, first let me get to the Gandhi glasses. Actually, Shujit told me, please get a set of Gandhi glasses, put some camouflage stuff, and send me some photographs, because I did need it for whatever the reason. So that's how it came up. So it's, credit is his, not mine. Of course, a friend of mine, he's a model here, Dipanjan Rashak. Through him only I went to a photographer, and they set it up and took the photographs. So I have no credit. But I don't know what you're talking about, style statement. কারণ I see, আমার কিন্তু আগে জামা কাপড় পরার ম্যাচ করার খুব, it was disaster. until eventually my wife took over and said, please, আমি যেটা বার করে দেব সেটা তুমি পরবে, আর বাইরে যখন যাচ্ছ আমি সেট প্যান্টের সঙ্গে টি শার্ট, এই প্যান্টের সঙ্গে ওই শার্ট, এই জ্যাকেটটা এই সেটের সঙ্গে আমি করে দেব, তুমি কিন্তু খালি সেটাই পরবে, আর আমি ওখানেও লিখে দিচ্ছি এটার সঙ্গে ব্ল্যাক শুজ আর এর মধ্যে ব্রাউন শুজ। সো এই দ্য স্টাইল স্টেটমেন্ট অফ হোয়াট আই এম ওয়ারিং এটসেট্রা when I'm outside is thanks to her, no credit to me. I'm disaster at it. Ha, my walk, talk, something is over the years it has grown the way it has grown. Now, I'm not, I don't know what you're talking about where style statement is concerned, but this has been me for quite some time. Probably matching today. Probably তখনকার দিনে ম্যাচ করতো না, কিন্তু আজকালকার দিনে সব ম্যাচ করছে. Maybe just luck.
So to sum it up, we would say that you just want to feel in your shoes. You want to be yourself.
I am myself. I do what I want to do. I'm not bothered ke ki bolche. I do what I want to do, and something which I'm not ashamed of, I will do, and what I'm ashamed of, I will not do. Otherwise, the starter bolechilam, one life, I want to live my life. My time is very important. Ekhono jodi amake ei kaaj chhele in middle of work also যদি কেউ বলে চলো let's go to the forest 1 month, I go off. The infrastructure is meant to be taking care of it. I don't have to be there every time. আর আজকাল তাও মোবাইল আছে, আগে যখন মোবাইল ছিল না ফিক্স টাইম কল করতে হতো। আমি আমার একটা বন্ধুর বাড়ি যেতাম বিহারে, ওয়েস্ট চম্পারণ, ওয়ার ডায়াল করেও কিন্তু এসটিডি কোড ডায়াল করে পাওয়া যেত না, ইউ কুড নেভার গেট থ্রু। সো ফিক্স টাইম কল বলে একটা ছিল আমার মনে আছে, ইউ কল the telephone operator and say 3 बजे हमको ये नंबर लगा दीजिएगा, and 3 o'clock they would call up and connect. I used to go off to places like that for 1 month where nobody could contact me, but because it's my time, free time. So when I came back, I worked with a different mind altogether. So I think if you do your work in quality, you can complete all your work in 2 hours. Why do you want to give it 8 hours? And I work like that always.
A small rapid fire round. Choto answers, choto questions. Danger round নয় actually, মজার, বেশ মজার. So first question would be favorite food. Mughlai. Favorite travel destination?
Hills, forest.
Hills and forest. Okay. Favorite pastime?
Visiting jungles.
Zodiac.
Libra.
Favorite color?
Black.
Icon.
Mom.
Hero.
I would say Sean Connery.
A lady on your life who's most important.
দেখো এটা তো বউ বলতেই হবে, কোনো উপায় নেই, যদিও মা was also there.
Favorite perfume?
No choice like that, frankly speaking, but there was a perfume যেটা পাওয়া যেত, it was called Tabac বলে একটা white bottle পাওয়া যেত. I used to love that, কিন্তু আজকাল ওটা একদম পাওয়া যাচ্ছে না. So love that.
Favorite clothing brand?
Zara.
A person whose interview you would like to take?
Before I answer that, I would like to say yes, I've already taken interviews when I used to be the editor of the St. Paul's news editor, and you won't believe Kar interview niyechi in one shot. First interview chilo Harivansh Rai Bachchan, followed by Teji Bachchan, followed by Jaya Bhaduri, followed by Amitabh Bachchan. যেখানে I took all their interviews over one evening. So I think that was one excellent set of interviews which আজকের দিনে nobody can get them all together. Not possible, but even those days Harivansh Rai Bachchan didn't give too many interviews, and nor did Teji Bachchan ever speak. But to me, they did. They had come to school for shooting Barsat Ki Ek Raat. আর I remember ওটাতে আমজাদ খান ছিল, আমাদের অডিটোরিয়ামে একটা শো ছিল which they were all invited to. চেয়ারের সাইডে যে এগুলো ছিল, he couldn't fit, so chairটা চেঞ্জ করতে হয়েছিল for him because he couldn't fit in the normal chair, Amjad Khan. But I would say that was the best experience I had. Otherwise, I would love to interview Laluji because he's my fave on screen. মানে ওর মতো সেন্স অফ উইট হিউমার অ্যান্ড দ্য ওয়ে হি থ্রোজ ইট কেউ নেই।
Yeah, he's all about under the belt. It's all about under the belt. Okay, your addiction.
My addiction would, again, it's more forest. It's more forest oriented, animals, safari, adventure sports. That's been my addiction for a long time. Unless you talk about addiction, whether I smoke or drink or something. Of course I smoke, of course I drink. I told you I live life. But I'm not addicted. Cigarette ta bola jai, that's something which you, unless you're addicted, you can't smoke, but you can give it up. Who's not addicted? But I haven't.
Okay, with this we come to the end of the rapid fire. I hope all of you are liking whatever you're seeing on screen. And just to end the show, we have just 2 questions, which is there. And it is all about your inspiration towards youngsters. What would you like to say to youngsters in Bengal or all around India right now?
I've already said it in my thing. When you want to do something, first do your SWOT analysis, whether you are for business or not. Because if you waste time on it, you'll waste money, you'll waste time, you'll waste everything. But if you think you are, just go with the line of work which you like. See, even if you're a painter, you could be in business. Even if you're a designer, you could be in business. You're doing artwork, plus that could relate to business. So you see which angle of work you're more attuned to, which you enjoy, and just go ahead with that. And don't feel scared. Just go ahead.
Okay, the last question is like we would like to ask you is your experience right now that you had with this interview with us, being with Hangover 69 and 21 Media Services at Adda at Hangover. So we would like to hear a little bit about that.
Well, I think it was one of the relaxing interviews which I had, and a welcome change from what's been happening. We are all stuck behind doors. I haven't been, but otherwise the mental situation is stuck behind doors. It's a welcome change, interacting with someone and reminiscing things from before, and probably I missed quite a few, but it doesn't come out immediately. It's over a protracted period of time. But at the end of the day, I enjoyed it. Thank you very much.
So with this we come to the end of this episode, and definitely it was a lovely experience interacting with Mr. Dotto, and we have a small little token and memento from all of us, Adda at Hangover. Thank you viewers, keep watching Adda at Hangover. Well, it was a lovely experience interacting with Mr. Dotto, and I hope all of you have enjoyed this episode. Keep watching and following all our updates from Hangover 69 and 21 Media Services. This is Orim Dashpurokaisto signing off. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channels and keep yourself updated by pressing the bell icon.